Big news! The Mobile Salon Expo is coming May the 7th and the 8th to the Texas State Fair Park in Dallas. Ronnie Mac, the creator of the first ever mobile salon dealership and mobile salon franchising, will host this event, so download your tickets now at mobilesalonexpo.com.
Are you a vendor looking for a booth? Are you a sponsor or advertiser wanting to be a part of an awesome, never-seen-before show? Contact us today.
We'll be introducing hair art advertising at the show. Come on down and get paid to receive free hair art advertising haircuts. This is the only show where you can see real Mobile Salon Buses in person, so get your tickets now. Hi guys, Ronnie Mac here. You guys know me as Mr. Hair Art. Reminding you, do not forget to get your hair show tickets to the Mobile Salon Expo. The website is www.mobilesalonexpo.com. The show's almost sold out, so you got to get your tickets now. Again, that website is www.mobilesalonexpo.com. There's going to be tons of buses there for you guys to check out, get on board, and actually see how these things run and what you can, how you can get in on the mobile salons. And for all you investors, we have the brand new mobile salon franchise that's also going to be debuted at the show. So that's the mobilesalonexpo.com. You get all the information there as well as the tickets. And for all the investors and people who want to get into a mobile salon or into the mobile salon business, go to our website at www.mobilesalonnetwork.com, and it'll have all the information for you to sign up. All the pricing and everything is on that website. So get on board now to see the new world of mobile salon. Remember our motto, the Barber and Beauty Industry is going mobile. See you at the show.